Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very interesting little program for you, a nice little mini project where we extract phone numbers from websites. So I'm going to create a subroutine. I'm going to call this phone numbers. Okay. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in print enter URL. So we're going to enter in a URL there. Then we're going to use chomp my scalar URL standard input. So we're going to get the input from the user. So the user will type in the URL there. Now we're going to create a scalar variable called web content. I'm going to assign this to get and the scalar URL, so it's going to get the information from that URL. Now what we're going to do a conditional, so if scalar web content we're going to create an array here called my phone numbers to store the phone numbers in, and then we're going to assign that to the web content. There, and this is the matching operator here we're going to use. And now what we need is a regex expression. Now I've got one here. I'm not going to type it out because I always make loads of mistakes when I do this. So I've got it here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it into here. This will search for phone numbers. So it will match phone numbers. That's what you need. Now we're going to do a for each loop. My scalar number in phone numbers. And what we're going to do here, we're going to print out the phone numbers, so it'll store the phone numbers in that array, and then it's going to go through them and we're going to print them out. So it's going to be phone number, it's going to be scalar number there. Okay, and then we're going to come down and we're going to do an else statement, our first else statement here. So else if that's not the case, we're going to tell the user that we didn't find any phone numbers. Not found. Okay. Then we're going to come down here. And I think we'll leave it at that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to call it phone numbers. Okay. So I'm just going to save that. I'm going to run it. Dear, I've got a little bit of a problem there. Okay, 2 errors there, so I'm going to make that into phone numbers, and I forgot the underscore there. Okay, so hopefully we're in business now. Okay, I'm going to enter in a URL here. Hit enter. Wait. There we go, we've got some phone numbers from there.